Hey, what's up guys? Min here from DentalTechTips, and today we're going to be going hands-on with the new Red Series E3 desktop scanner from 3Shape. I've had the chance to test this out for the last little while, and 3Shape wanted my insights on the scanner as someone who's only ever used D-Series scanners. So we're in the lab today, and I'll show you what's new with the Red Series, show you what it looks like, and go over some of my favorite features. All right, let's go. So the first question, of course, is what's new and what makes the Red Series so special? When we first open up the box, the first thing that stands out to me immediately is the red ring, and that conveys a feeling of speed, kind of like a red sports car. I'm not sure if someone on 3Shape's design team borrowed some of the design cues and inspiration from that, but it does bring the design of the latest series of desktop scanners in line with the red accents on their latest model Trio scanner. Of course, 3Shape didn't just add a red ring and call it a day. What they've managed to do with this generation has actually been pretty great, and they've boosted the scan speed of each scanner model by about 20% when compared to the previous generation of E-Series scanners. Scan quality, of course, is great. It's a 3Shape scanner, that goes without saying. They've also updated the PC lineup, and all the new Red Series scanners will be shipping with this line of Lenovo PCs. The model I received with the E3 test unit is the lower spec P330 that comes with an i7-9700, clocking in at 3 GHz and 32 gigabytes of RAM. The most interesting thing about this generation of PCs is this marks 3Shape's departure from gaming and enthusiast level graphics and switching to professional workstation graphics using NVIDIA Quadro cards. I'm told that the latest scanners and software have been optimized and will utilize graphics processing capabilities of the Quadro cards to speed up post-processing. The thing that I like the most about the new Red Series E3 scanner is simply just how fast it is. Compared to the D2000 that we've been using in the lab for the past few years, I'm probably saving about an hour and a half to 2 hours scan time in a day. So that gives me time to focus on more productive tasks rather than just scanning. The next thing that I really like is the open platform. It's a little bit of a novelty, but as someone who's only ever used D-Series scanners, where they're kind of a mystery black box that you put the model inside, close the door, and then the scan pops up on your screen, with the open platform of the E-Series, you get to see the model moving. It's a little bit more interactive, a little bit more fun, kind of involved. But moving beyond the novelty factor, the open platform of the Red Series E3 does actually offer up a little bit more versatility and flexibility when compared to D-Series scanners. So the D2000 is the biggest and most spacious of the D-Series scanners, but even that couldn't fit a full-sized articulator inside with the door closed. With the E-Series, you get this neat little articulator holder accessory that you place on the platform, and that allows you to put the articulator right on there. So if you're coming from something like a D700, that extra scanner real estate really makes a big difference. So I'd like to say thank you to 3Shape for sending out the scanner to me to test out and for the opportunity to go hands-on with it. We're going to be doing an in-depth webinar in the very near future, so we'll post links in the video description where you can go and register to watch that live or on demand. And also, if you want to go see the full-length review of my experience with the Red Series E3 scanner, you can find that on all my social media by liking and following @DentalTechTips. All right, thanks.